Y'all, it's your girl Frisk Me Good, and today I'm going to be showing you how to thread your walking foot machine.
Okay, first things first, you're going to want to grab your tweezers and start threading the hole furthest to the right. Then you're going to bring it up and around and thread the left and pull your thread all the way through. Next, you're going to guide your thread and bring it through the top eye. Then you're going to bring it around and guide it through the bottom eye. This second step is basically identical to the first step. Now you're going to guide your thread in between these little two rotors right here. Then you're going to guide your thread through the eye below the two rotors. Bring your thread down and guide it between the next set of rotors below. Now pull your thread around this hook and make sure it's secure by pulling it down. Now hook the thread around and snap it into place on the hook above. Now we're going to move up a little further and feed our thread through the next eye above. Now we're going to go down to this other side and hook our thread through these little guides as we did on the right side. Alright guys, we're almost done. Next we're going to guide our thread through this eye above the needle. Then thread the actual needle. As you guys can see, I got a little tangled up here. If this happens to you, just make sure you untangle the thread before you start sewing. Alright, you finished threading your machine. Now grab your bobbin and get ready to load it into the bottom of your machine. Now pop it in and close the hatch. Alright, lastly, you're going to turn the wheel towards you until the top thread catches the bottom thread. And now you're done threading your walking foot machine. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and follow, like, and subscribe to Frisk Me Good. Also, visit my Depop at depop.com/friskmegood. Bye!